Hello and welcome to another short video from Education Excel Solutions, where today we're going to be focusing on behaviour management reporting. All schools will have their own form of login praises and behaviour points. More often than not, this will be in the SIMS database. While this is fairly straightforward for individual teachers to log a praise or a concern, it's not always as easy or as quick for, say, a head of year or someone in SLT to quickly summarise and examine this data. Hopefully, this spreadsheet is an example of how here at Education Excel Solutions we can help you with that. If we look, we've got two tabs. We've got the main tab, which the user will be using. If we just look behind at the data tab, this is where all the data from the SIMS report will be automatically fed through. So each single row represents a single behaviour or praise incident. If we click back to the main dashboard page, we can see that we've got a table here by pupil name and a summary of how many behaviour points that student has acquired. However, this is for the entire time period. We might want to narrow it down to a shorter time period. So up here, we've got our date filter. If we needs be, we can focus in on a single day, but more often than not, we'll probably be looking at maybe a time frame of a week, and we can drag it there. So here we can see we're from January the 7th to January the 14th, and our table has condensed, and we can see all the students that have acquired a behaviour point within that time frame. We can print this as it is, and if we click set print area and print, we've got a nice summary table that we can print, or we might want to print the comments. So if we click show comments, we can see any comments that staff have made about that particular incident will now show up, and if we click set print area and go print, we can see that it's in a nice printer-friendly format that can be printed for dissemination at meetings, etc. So if I clear the date filter, we are now showing all the incidents again, and I can hide comments so we can just see the names. We've also got these extra filters here. So in this school, we run a house system, so an individual head of house can filter by their particular head of house. So we can see that as we click on the different houses, the table automatically updates to represent that filtered information. If I cancel that one and show how that can also be done by incident, so for example, homework, and if we show comments, we can see all the comments relating to behaviour to do with homework. Let me hide those comments. In addition, just to selecting one thing, we can select multiple items, so things that might be irrelevant. So we can see we've got all the bad ones here: abusive behaviour, bullying, assault. So we can see the summary of those students, and again, if needs be, we can show the comments there. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it gives you some ideas of different solutions that Education Excel Solutions can provide to your school.